Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update for the live trading room. Today's Monday, February 24th. Today we had two entries, or one entry with an add-on in crude, and we had one entry in the ES. The first trade we had was in crude oil. The price was 102.38. 102.38. Some of us got it in as low as 33, and some of us even took it at 30. Time was 9:24 Central Standard Time, right where this arrow was. And we went long. Once we got to our first profit target, which was up here at this circle, I told everybody to go to entry. Okay. Those were in from 30 or 33. Were fine. Some got in at 38, so it's very possible that some got stopped out at entry to the tick. But for those who got the different price, they were still in. Got the lower price, they were still in. And the next major target here was around 69 to 70, right where this rectangle is. Once it got above that, I said that if the market gets up to 85, 87 actually, we would try to get long 85 as an add-on. New entry, I said you could take it 85, but we'd have to add lower or wait for the pullback, especially if you were in from down here or are still in. And then you would have a better average and a better all-around average. And I said that once they get up to 87, they should be able to make their way up to 103, 103.12, which are the two lines. And the ultimate stretch target, which was up there the whole entire time, was 103.28. 103.28. So some got out at 103.10, 103.12. Some opted to hold it, and they got out at 103.28. It hasn't went any higher than that up to this point. Either way, it was a great trade. We were in from 30, as low as 30 to 38 down here. And the official entry was 38, but some people, like I said if you can grab it lower, grab it a little bit lower, and that was about almost 100 penny move from there. So depending on how many contracts you had, obviously if you had one contract, you couldn't stay in it that long, but it was a beautiful, beautiful winner there. On the ES, we had a potential long at 250. This trade was up at the high of the day, so I said that people who were in profits for the day, you don't really want to take that as your first trade, but everybody had the opportunity to get profits in here who took it. For those who took the trade, we got long at 250. I said once we got a point, we weren't going to play around with it. We were going to go to entry. Once the point happened on this candle, it never came back to entry. I said go to entry on any remaining contracts. We take profits along the way. 450 was 2 points. I said that the ultimate stretch target, which my line is still up here, was 1860. That's where they might want to meander up to before the end of the day. But again, we also take profits along the way. So the markets went 4 points so far. Some people are not comfortable staying in when the room's closed. So they got out when the room closed, and that was about 3 to 4 points, and they were done. Others may be trying to hold it or whatnot, but either way, that was a nice profitable trade there as well. So that's what we did today. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. And until then, I want to wish everybody a great rest of the day and happy trading.